Where is it?
It's there in the YouTube that I'm putting in. Okay, I'll send you the link again. Okay. Oh,
You're,
Subramanian, you're not. Are you there
you're
in the
not
WhatsApp group?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, but
But
sometimes I
today,
used to send in some links, right?
yeah, yesterday also you sent a link, but that was before the event, no? You just put an event before that.
Okay, I mean after this we'll
I think
discuss that.
yesterday
Okay.
you started very early, no? Around 3 o'clock, 3:30 or something like that, no?
Oh, that was today.
Today
Yeah.
you had
Oh,
three.
okay. Wait. Yesterday I did put some recordings, but that was two people were asking me in person, so I was recording some sessions. I mean, recording some uh something for them.
I saw that one, and yeah, I thought that
Hmm.
today you will be sending something different, if at all, in the afternoon. So you didn't have anything prior to this one.
We did have the interim one. Wherein I tagged everyone.
Oh, really? How are the people reaching out to you to put up the new special class? Only
It's
WhatsApp.
not a special class. So people ask me some question. Okay. So then I know that same question is gonna be repeated by someone else also. Right. So if we record it, then probably it might help the same person also will get the same doubt at a different time.
Yeah, yeah,
Correct?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we just record it, whatever doubt we are clearing.
Okay. So all your classes are recorded, right?
Yes, yes. I'm trying. I mean, at least I'm trying to help that much.
Oh, good. That's great.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Yep. Sure. Because not everyone is able to join the classes, and only the people who are regularly trying to join are getting something, right?
Hmm.
Okay, I think we did this also. Probably we'll be starting with the week 11 today. I think just few more questions are left. Am I right, Uma? Yeah, this question also we did. Worst case behavior. Did we do this question?
Yeah, yeah. Finally we rushed it. Yeah, we did it.
Yeah, okay. So that means we are coming to this ninth question. Ninth and tenth. Okay, great. Consider the automaton where Q. Okay, can someone read this question?
Yeah, if you want me to, I just tried in the afternoon. Yeah, I got
Yeah,
it.
sure.
Yeah,
Mhm.
consider the following finite automaton where Q0 is the starting state and Q2 is the final or accepting state, and input symbols are ABC. I don't think we'll
Okay,
get this kind in end term. This is so easy. I hope.
but still we'll try to solve this now.
Yeah, Q0.
Once
So
again, I'll just put the picture here. So
we
what are you supposed to find here, Ben?
we
See,
have to
Uma.
find whether we are able to reach Q0 to Q2 given by the help of this pattern.
Okay.
So, like A means you have to move forward to Q1. Again, A means you have to move forward to Q2. So, from there, if you get A, you have to move. Otherwise, you are stuck in Q2 if it is a B or C.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's how you have to travel actually.
Okay. So let's give this to someone else, huh? I think
Yeah,
now you have explained the question. Now that you have explained the question. So would someone want to do this? Subramanyam?
Yeah, I can give a try. I'm sure that I may get stuck up somewhere.
Yeah, that's totally fine. Go ahead.
Yeah. Q0 to Q1A.
Correct.
I'm
So
just
we
taking
are.
option one. Option one.
Hmm.
Then Q1 to Q2A. So option
But
one is not there. So I'll go for option two.
Uma, is that how we are supposed to do this? No, right? Okay, Subramanyam, what you have to do is, so you have to check this string. Okay, check the string and look at what if you have a B. That means see, starting you have a A. So that means Q0 to Q1 you're coming. Correct,
Yes.
using this arrow. Okay,
Yep.
then
Yep.
you have a B, which means you are looping through the same. You are still there in Q1. Got the point?
Oh, okay. I thought of really taking the forward path, then the
No, no, no.
loop. No.
So whatever is there in the this text only you have to take it. Okay, now you have a B. That means you are coming back to the same one. Q1 itself you are staying.
Yes. Okay.
You're not moving anywhere. So
Yeah.
B Q1. So again B you have, which means Q1, right?
Now again B. we have not consumed it. We have not exhausted it. Huh? First
Yeah,
time we use the B and second time also B. Same B.
still not a problem. So the question is, at the end, are you reaching Q2?
Okay, okay.
Am I right,
Okay.
Uma? Uma?
Yes, you're right. You have to
Okay.
travel until the end and check what happens. That's all.
And check if you are able to, if you are still staying in Q2. That's the point.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Subramaniam.
Yeah,
So
then then
Hmm.
next B also we are there in Q1.
Very
Then
good.
A we are going because already A is there. We are going to Q2.
Very good. We are in Q2. Okay.
Then BB also we can stay within Q2.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
You're in
A.
Q2. Then you have A.
Yeah, A. Then we can get back to Q1.
Yeah, A is taking you back to Q1, which means
Yes.
that at the end of it, you're not at Q2, which means this option is wrong. Am I right, Uma?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So Subramaniam, you got the point?
I got it. I got stuck in Q1.
Yeah, sure. So now shall we do the other thing also? Second option
Yeah.
also you try to do it?
Second option, yes, all A's.
Correct?
Q0 to Q1, I'll come. Q1 to Q2, I'll come. And from Q2, I'll go back to Q1.
Okay.
Then again Q0. Again Q1.
No, there is no
Wait, wait,
Q0.
wait, 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 wait. No. You should go slowly.
Oh, no, no,
Not
no, no.
immediately.
No, Q0 is not there.
Yeah. So first you're coming to Q1. So I'm striking the first one. Q1, you're at Q1.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Next you're
yes,
going to Q2.
yes,
Right? You're having another A, which means you're going back to Q1.
yes,
Right? So from Q1, if you're having another A, which means you're coming back to Q2.
yes.
Okay. Now again Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2.
Q2.
Finally you're at Q2, which means this option is correct.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Would someone else want to try this again? Someone who is new? Pooja, do you know this already?
No.
Okay. So I want you to do this. Okay. So did you see how we did the previous one? Did you see that, Pooja?
Yeah.
Okay. See, now what? Now, so we have to check whether at the end of this, the string, you are able to you're in Q2. Okay. So tell me how. For when you see A, you will from Q not to you will come to Q1. Correct, using this path.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Okay. Then what do you have?
Then
After
B.
A, you have a B. That means you're in Q1. You should take the path which is in B. So, which is making you stay in the Q1 itself. All right. So here you're staying in the Q1 only. Go ahead. Then you have
A means Q2.
correct Q2.
Then B, that means Q2.
Very good.
Then A, that means Q1.
Very good. You're going back. Nice.
Then B, Q1 again.
Yes.
Then A, that means Q2.
Very good.
Then B, it's Q2.
Nice.
A, Q1.
Okay.
And B, Q1.
Okay. So which means this option is also wrong. I mean, at the end you are supposed to be in Q2, but it is not taking you to Q2. It is dropping you in Q1. Correct.
Okay.
So now you take the next option.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Q naught to Q1.
Yeah, Q1.
Then Q2.
Very good.
Q2.
Mm-hmm.
Again Q2.
Okay.
Then Q1.
Okay.
Then Q2.
Nice.
It's Q1. No,
Okay.
Q2.
Hey, wait. Q2
Q2.
only.
Q2.
Okay. Again Q2.
Q2. Again Q2.
Q2.
Then
Q2.
Q2. Q1.
This is Q1. Correct.
Then Q2.
Q2.
Again Q2.
Q2. So this is making you stay in Q2. Is this fine for you now? Are you familiar with this question now?
Yeah.
If such anyone else want to try, Anwar, you want to try this?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, please take it. Go ahead.
B is self loop.
Correct. So Q naught. Go ahead.
C again self loop.
Nice.
B is again self.
Correct. And C is also self.
Then Q1,
Q1.
then self,
Okay. Q1.
again self,
Okay.
again self,
Self and self. Okay. Q1. Okay.
Q2,
Next you are going to Q2.
then Q2 itself,
Self.
self, Q2, Q2,
Okay. Q2. One more Q2. Go ahead.
then Q1, Q2.
Q1, Q2. Nice. So seems like these three options are correct. Hope it's clear for everyone, right?
Yeah, it's simple actually. It is
Yeah.
only
Yep. Okay. So now how do we answer this question? Uma, can you try this? You want to try this? So are we using the same automaton for this also?
I
No.
tried. I didn't understand.
Okay.
No.
This is from that regular expression.
Yeah, exactly. This is just regular expression. So for the people who haven't taken string, I mean, no, what system commands, it's new, I think. Okay, have they taught about regular expression of this to them, to these people?
What's that? Regular expression. What did he say?
Yeah, it's regular expression.
It is there, but I didn't study. It is in week 11, so I don't know what is that.
Oh, you have it.
Yeah, but I haven't covered it.
Nice. Okay.
There's
So for
no
this point,
notes also for
Anwar can do this because Anwar has covered this. Anwar,
Yeah.
so can you help me understand this given pattern?
First is like it has to start with AB. That is
Okay,
what
so if we have an up arrow, which means it should start with AB. All right, that's what the up arrow means.
Then in between there can be B or A.
Okay, so B or A, but any number of
We start with the. No, it should start with A or
any
AB.
Yeah. No,
A or A. Okay, are you asking a question to me?
no. It is telling like it can be B, it can be A, it can be AB, it can be BA, anything. That's how it is. In the bracket it is. So one letter we consider.
Okay, it's in a bracket, so we consider only one letter. So anything, any of these can be allowed, right?
Any of the
Subramaniam,
No.
are you saying that?
No, it is not.
It's new to
No, it
me.
is not like.
Okay, wait, it's new. Okay, Balaji, you're talking. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, Balaji.
Hey, I
Go
think not AB.
Okay, but I know there's some website wherein you can put in a regular.
Vocal, they have given the hint if you submit button. The small hint BA can appear BA.
And there is like what happens is in regular expression that that flower bracket and this bracket I have got confused maybe. Flower bracket means it is anything can be taken.
Okay, I'm in regular expression tester. regex.com. I've seen, and there is a website. Okay, so wherein you give just like this. Oh, it's not copyable from here. I'll just show you that.
No hint for you. They are given a hint for it.
This is a previous term cutting, right?
Okay.
Okay. See, so this website, whatever I'm saying, it gives us an explanation for the regular expression that we are sending at the top. See, begin. They're saying. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go back. So you're saying, Uma, you're saying that there is some hint that I can make use of, right?
Yeah, this is graded assignment 10. I'll check. Yeah.
Probably it was from the second batch, right? They started giving some hints.
A. With D. Come anytime. That is BA can.
Yeah, one. Balaji, I think your voice is kind of breaking. Okay, they have the feedback here. Is it visible to everyone?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, BA star means BA is as a group, right? We can so BA, BB, Baba, Baba, Ba, like any number of times the BA should come together. So we
Star
replace by
actually means zero or many, no? Zero or any, it is.
which means
That's
star
what,
means, right?
yeah. That's
Correct.
what,
Star means zero or any. You're right.
yeah, it is zero or any. So it can be even zero.
Huh.
What is meant by that? Zero, I'm not getting. It can be absent also.
No,
Correct. That's what. Look at this.
there are two symbols. If it is plus, it is one or any. Means at least once it has to come. Star means it can be zero or any.
Oh, okay. It can be absent in this given string also.
Right, right. That is what I understood. Let us correct it if I am wrong.
So in this thing, you can add the text. See, which means it's past. It's an interesting tool.
But BA is there, no? Just now you said BA may not be there. So you try with,
Not
Yeah,
necessary, but it can be.
yeah,
okay.
just want to check whether it is.
Oma, see, now this is wrong. Why is this wrong? Because CD you should have at the end.
Oh,
Okay,
what
let's
is
give
the
a test
dollar
case.
symbol represent? It's end of.
Dollar represents the end, matches the end of the string.
So only if it is a star, you can say it can be absent. Is that so? AB should be there, CD should be there, and BA can be or cannot be there. That's what it means, right? That's what you are telling.
Hmm.
If you just put A, B, C, D, then yeah, it has passed, no?
Ah,
Correct.
okay, okay, okay. So CD must be there, AB must be there. Okay.
Yeah, AB, BA, and CD.
Okay, is there any
This-
other symbol we can study all these things because I haven't.
It is only like 4 or 5 symbols are there, Uma. It is not that difficult.
Okay, I can go to slides and refer, right? Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
I can. No, don't worry.
Okay. Thanks.
Hope this is okay now, right? I mean, you
Yeah.
should have an AB at the start and a CD at the end and any number of BA. But if you have anything else in between, that's wrong.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
See, it should be a BA. Okay. So if I have another A, it's wrong. So it should be, again BA, it is correct. If I have another BA, it's correct. If I give BB, it's wrong.
It
Anything
depends
other
on the
than BA?
symbols, right?
Yeah,
Everything
Uma?
depends on the symbols. No, everything depends on the symbols, right?
Correct. So Anwar was saying something like if you put plus, right?
Then one BA should be present. That's what he told.
At least one BA should be present. See this? So ABCD got thing gone, but rest of things are correct.
Okay.
So why don't we go to that particular slide of course
Sure,
slide?
sure.
That would be helpful.
Yep,
It's
yep,
more
yep. Look at how many tabs that I have open.
So, in fact, I think this bracket then means that the string has to be taken together.
Huh?
B has to be taken together. That is what this bracket means.
Yeah, yeah. That is understood. I think that's what they have shown there in the hint. Yeah.
Yeah. But in Linux commands, what they teach is in flower bracket normally they give, and any character can be taken. Okay. If you put it on as flower, then B and A both will pass.
I guess flower stands for set or something. From where you can. It's like
Anyway, not there in the lectures. Let us leave it.
But see, Anwar, it's not matching here. What do you mean? Like, how do I give a test case for this? Matches character. So A, B, A, C, D. Or like this should at least match, right?
Yeah.
Why is it not matching? It's not matching.
No idea. I got confused. Let us move.
So we'll
Let
go.
us stick to that whatever it is.
Okay. Matches. Okay. Look at this. See, it's also trying to match the flower bracket also. Oh my God.
Yeah. So that means this flower bracket is not getting accepted as a bracket. It is taking string actually. At a character it has been.
Yeah.
So only the other bracket it is getting accepted.
Hmm.
Okay, let us leave that.
Let's leave that. Oh, I think it is taking, see, at the starting of the thing, you should have A, B, flower bracket, B, A, and the flower bracket. Now, if I can give something, okay, that's not coming. Probably if I repeat the whole thing again, I don't know. No, okay, fine. Let's go to the slides that you guys were telling. That was the last question, right? So, is it in week 11 or week 10?
Week 10, 10, 10.
Regular expression. We didn't even talk about this tries and all. Why didn't any question come like
Week
that?
10 we haven't discussed at all.
No, but
Only
we
the-
solved all the
Yeah,
PAs
yeah.
and JAs.
Algorithms, the last two, yeah, it is tough. We haven't.
Okay. Okay, wait. This was this is the whole end of the slide. Okay. So far we have done string matching for a fixed pattern in a string T. Unsure of the spelling, look for Srivatsan or Srivat, VATH son. Okay. Check for a sequence. Look for a word that has sub followed by the subsection. Whatever. Okay. Look at this. So what if we want to check for a word that has a sub and it is followed by a shun. So we'll get the output as substitution and the subtraction. These are the two words that have which matches the pattern. Repetition, one or more of copy of NA. See NA one time it is repeated, NA it is repeated so many times. Right. So these are all kind of they are saying describing patterns. Okay, here we go. Finite alphabets. What should I do here? What should I teach here? Anwar, you want to say something here? What is this? So they are saying some examples, I think. So A plus B matches, either A or B. A matches this A and B matches B. Take the union. Fine. Likewise, C plus D matches C comma D. Fine. Okay. A plus B, C plus D matches AC, BC, ADC, BD. Uma, you are following this?
Yeah, but I'm not getting. Maybe I'll learn.
No. You read this. Now, why don't you read this?
No, it simply means A plus B, C plus D means first letter can be A or C.
Second letter can be C or D.
Yeah, second letter. Sorry, first letter can be A or B. Second letter can be C or D.
You cannot have AB or you cannot have CD together.
Right.
Uma.
Okay. Construct all words with the first part from AB and followed by second part. Okay.
See?
Yeah.
That's what they're saying here. Okay. What does this mean? So it means
Like plus
same.
we said, no, repeated, right?
Correct. See, this pattern can be repeated at least one to any number of plus means the same. You got the point, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to match A followed by B. So A should be followed by B. Okay. So A summation plus B. What does the summation symbol mean? Any symbol can come in between. Okay, from summation can come in between. Oh. Okay. Can we even print a pattern summation here from our laptop? No, right?
And that summation actually means only a collection of letters.
Okay.
It doesn't mean sum actually. It means a set of
Collection.
a collection.
Okay, great. So
What does this symbol means? I'm not
at least once it should be present. Balaji.
Plus
At
means
least once it should be present.
be present.
Okay.
From the given,
A or B. That is plus is like probability A or B.
no. It is between A and B. Anything can come.
Balaji, you remember
That is
we
A
saw
or
this,
B.
right? Balaji, you remember seeing this, right?
Ah, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if it is a star means even ABCD is matching, correct? What does star mean? Balaji? Hello? Balaji, am I
Star
audible?
means repetition.
Yeah, star means repetition.
Repetition.
Look at this. Match 0 or more of the token. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, if I put a plus, okay, now you read this.
One or more.
Correct.
What
So if
about A plus B? That is
Huh? What do you mean by A plus B?
A plus
Oh,
B.
from the slide you're asking?
No,
Are
this
you asking?
itself, this symbol itself. This previously. No, that previous slide.
Okay. Here, right?
Previous slide.
A plus
This
B.
A plus B. Yeah.
This A plus
A or B,
means
that means.
correct. Exactly. A or B. You're right.
That is
You're right.
union like A union B, A or B.
You're right. Okay.
And there are, I think, three. No, it is star is there, then plus is there, then question mark also is there.
Mm-hmm.
Question mark actually means 0 or 1. So if it pattern repeats twice, I think it will. You put question mark, it is or 1. You just put A B B A C D. That also will pass.
Yeah, that's correct. Ma, were you able to see that?
Put question mark. Plus, I know, right?
Yeah, if I put a question mark, he's saying that it can come once or it cannot come. So it cannot repeat twice or thrice or 4 times. You are limiting it to be either 0 times or one, at least, I mean, maximum 1 time it can come.
Okay. So this plus is what? It should be 1 should be present, right? At least
Plus means at least 1.
And a question mark at most 1.
Correct, at most 1.
Okay.
And star means any number of times.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what
And
is
the
happening
dollar
here?
is end, right? The dollar is end, right? The
Yeah,
dollar
dollar is in the
So
end of the string.
if it is come, I saw somewhere, I don't remember now. If it is come in the middle, it won't come. Is it that? It's wrong, right?
What do you mean? So this is saying that whatever it is at the end of the end of the string, you should have a CD. That's what it is saying.
Okay. Somewhere I saw the dollar is in between something. Okay.
I can give something like the CD means I can give anything. I'm gonna write something. You see, total take a CD this much.
Oh, okay. There is
So
no
that dollar
condition for the
at the end you should have a CD. I can have another CD, another CD, another CD, any number of times, but
okay.
it's just matching the two last two.
Okay. So the dollar. Okay. Yeah, got it.
So your voice is breaking. Yeah, Anwar, you want to say something for this?
Can we have a dollar symbol in between the expression? Like,
I don't think so.
No,
Because
not dollar symbol cannot be in
No.
between.
it should be only at the end.
It is at the end.
Okay.
And similarly, that arrow, up arrow, right? So that what do you call it as? This up arrow. It should be only at this beginning.
Oh,
So this
okay.
means that CD can be at the whatever. I can give anything, but CD should be at the start. You got the point, Uma? Okay, great.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So what do we have here? If we have no gap between A and B, Okay. Yeah, this we saw, right? I mean, Balaji, we saw this, right? If plus means it's just any symbol in the summation, correct?
Yes, yes.
If
Yeah.
they are saying the
Okay.
summation, it matches any symbol in the summation. So use summation itself as an abbreviation for the special pattern. Okay. So the pattern we want is A sum plus B. So they are saying that A, anything in this pattern, plus, I mean, if plus means what? What does plus means? At least once, correct? I
Yes.
know. Let's see.
Plus, the power means if plus is made as a power, at least one.
Hmm. Okay, let's go further. Looking for Srinivasan and or Srivatsan. Okay, so the pattern is okay. Either you will have at the starting or ending, you will have Srivatsan or Srivatsan. By convention, can drop the initial and final.
That actually means anything can come before Srivatsan and anything can come after Srivatsan.
Hmm.
Plus simple is like either of these.
Yeah, okay, got that.
What is the plus symbol stands here? I'm forgetting.
Union or operator,
Okay.
or operator, you can say like that.
Okay.
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 So I'm saying that you can drop the final, you can drop the initial and final some star, and simply write it like Srivatsan plus Srivatsan match. Fine. More compactly, what is this? Okay, epsilon matches the empty string with no characters. You look at this. So SRAVAT, and they're saying that H or in no character. What's the only difference? You have an extra H at this point, correct, Uma?
Yeah.
What's the only difference between the first word and the second word? So the second word has an extra H.
Yeah.
So they are saying that. So Sri, you can match Sri word and SAN at the end. Okay. In between, either H can come or epsilon means, look at this, matches empty string with no character.
Okay. So you
H is
can
present
have.
or not present. You can match it.
Yeah. Basically, they're saying that you can have Srivatsan or Srivatsan. That's what they
Correct.
said.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Hope this is okay for others. Right? Alright. Our convention is now P matches anywhere in a string. Okay, let me go to the end of this slide. Yeah, here we are coming here. I think this is okay, right, for everyone. We have seen this.
Yeah.
Anchor means match at the start. P dollar means to match at the end. So BA at the start, NA at the end, which is banana. Right? So anchor PS, it will match entire word should be P only because it should start with P and end with P. That means there is only one character. Right? So I'll give that anchor P dollar. Okay. So if I give some test cases like P, it's not gonna work. So start with P and also end with P. Got the point, Uma?
Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Nice. Pooja, Sachin, Balaji, others okay?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, okay. Nice.
Great. Nice. Okay. So look at this. What does this mean? If you're having something like this, only BA and NA will be matched, just like the same as above.
But they okay. Does not match. Yeah.
Does not match banana. Okay. But if you're putting something like this, BA in the bracket NA, which means it should have at least once NA, and then any number of times it can repeat, and that should come at the end. Okay.
This plus, I'm confused with the plus and the star. Star say you can have NA, right?
Even plus says that you can have NA.
Okay, then what's the difference between plus and star?
Star means
Yes.
that. Go ahead.
Yeah, star means even NA is not there, it will pass.
Okay, at least no. Okay. Plus means you have to have one. Okay.
Yeah, you
It's
have to
confusing.
have.
Okay. Yeah.
Great. Others okay with this?
One
Yeah.
doubt here.
Yes.
If we
Go ahead.
write a repeated P,
If you write repeated what?
P, repeated
Okay, for the
P,
previous one, huh? For the previous, huh?
yeah, yeah, previous
Okay.
one, starting with P and ending with P.
Okay, starting with P and ending with P. Okay, go ahead. So if you're having repeated P, why is it not matching? Is that your
There's
question?
no plus. There is no plus, right?
Yeah, yeah. I want to know it matches or not.
It won't match.
You mean to only single P, one
Correct.
character.
Yes. Because you don't have anything else in between, right?
Okay,
You
okay.
don't have any other pattern. If you're giving some star, it will match. Or a plus, it will match. Or if you give a question mark, it won't match. But the question mark will match an empty thing. What does question mark mean? Zero or ones. Oma, others, everyone, did I make sense here or did I confuse you, everyone?
Yeah, it's clear now.
Yeah.
Yeah, question mark. It can be there. It cannot be there. Yeah, got it.
Yeah. Nice.
It is not that it can be there, it cannot be there. It is like if it is there, it can be only once. That is what question mark is. If it
It
is
should
there, it
start
can
with
be
the
only
P.
there.
It need not start with the P.
It need to start with P because that mark is there, no?
Because the star, that symbol is there, no? Starting symbol is there.
Yeah. No, but
So I
starting
think P.
is there. Then again, we are saying 0 or 1, no? So it will.
It is not contradictory.
Yeah, if you put only P, that also will match.
This won't match.
That won't match. Yeah. So if it is empty or if it is only P, both will match. So what we need to consider is that the entire thing will be matching for one line. Okay, that is what. If you write whatever in one line, this pattern will match for that. Second line will be different.
Okay.
So
Great. Shall we
normally,
move further, right? I think everyone is okay with this also, right? Pooja, you're okay with this also, right?
Yeah, it's clear now.
Nice.
But
So record.
like I have doubt for the last one, for the last question, last expression in the slide. Yeah. So in the last, like it's written there, BA plus NA plus. Like it should be BANA only, na?
Okay, what are you telling? I'm not understanding. Why it should be BANE?
Since it starts from yeah, it starts from starting with BANA and ending with only NA. So
Correct. See, what they are trying to say is this pattern, whatever you have at the start, this pattern does not match a banana. Okay. But this pattern will match a banana. Okay. Sachin,
yeah,
why does this pattern match a banana?
like it's having a extra NA something.
No, yeah, that's what. It's having a plus symbol.
Yeah.
Okay. That's why it can match.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So they are saying we call the KMP algorithm built a finite automaton. Can someone read this? I'll just drink some water and come. Please. Can someone volunteer and do that, please? Guys. I want some water. Do it. Who was gonna do that? Am I even audible? Hello?
Yeah, we can read, Gokul. You go and drink. We will read by
Oh,
ourselves.
someone read it aloud. Someone read it aloud. I won't trust everyone. Or ask some questions. I'm drinking some water.
So should I read it then?
Yeah, please, Anwar, go ahead.
Recall that the Cook-Morris-Pratt algorithm built a finite state automaton for longest prefix matched by a pattern. The automaton we built had a linear structure with a single path from start to finish. In general, automata can follow multiple paths, accept multiple words. The set of words that automata can accept are called regular sets. Each pattern P describes a set of words, those that it matches. The sets we can describe using patterns are exactly the same as those that can be accepted by automata. Our patterns are called regular expressions.
I guess we have to have one example to understand this algorithm. Like,
Yeah, it is that previous one, no, that picture one, whatever we have seen, you can see that if the same thing will explain that, I think. That this thing was there, no, that picture in that uh, graded assignment. That graded assignment, we had a automaton picture, no? Yeah,
yes.
this thing, yeah. So here, if you see that Q0, Q1, Q2, whatever it is there, if you are putting like A, B, C, or whatever, but multiple combinations it can take. So like BC, if you repeat n number of times, then also it will only go for the self loop. So n number of patterns we can generate. That is what actually it means.
Okay.
It is something like we can start with A, or we can start with B, or we can start with C. Like multiple permutations we can have. That is what.
Okay. So are you guys done with this?
Yeah.
Fine. I think there's nothing else. Like they're just saying something. That's all. Python provides a library for matching regular expressions. That's okay. Fine. Okay. I think anything else you guys want to talk? Or shall we go with week 11? Guys?
Yeah, week 11, I
Sure.
think.
Yep. Right. Here we go. We'll go with the same way that we are doing. Okay. We'll do PA and GA and there we'll move it. Don't we have a PA for week 11? Do you guys have it? Guys?
Yeah.
Hello? Do you guys have a
Check it.
practical assignment for week 11? Please check it.
No, like, I guess.
You guys are also not having it. Please someone check it. Confirm it. Confirm. I'll
No,
see
we
if you.
have. We have actually.
Yeah, we have.
We have. Yeah.
Then probably in the second thing I'll be having. Oh.
Like, there's no notes in the GitHub
In the
notes.
GitHub, huh? Okay. That's sad. Okay. Probably I might
We
have it in
have
there,
to, yeah, we have to use slides.
Sure, sure. So I have it here in the September term. All right. So let's also use the slides. Okay. for some things. I'm just planning to complete this week 11 by tomorrow, and so we'll start the revision. Okay, see this. You guys need to understand. I mean, this week is important for the data science and stuff like that. Okay, so I'll tell you many computations. Okay, this is all about optimization. You know what is an optimization?
Yeah, like I know about linear programming, but
Correct.
optimization, yeah, like something to reduce the cost and improve, like
Maximize the
increase the,
efficiency,
yeah,
something
yeah,
like that, right?
yeah,
Get
yeah,
get more out of, I mean, get the be efficient or something like that. We can say like that. So
yes,
shortest path means how fast I can go to a particular place or something. Minimum cost spanning tree. What is it? So
Maximum profit, right?
maximum profit also. Yes, that's correct. Okay. So that's what optimization is all about. I'll go to the end of the slide. Yep. See. So that's correct. Subject to constraints. Okay. So what is the shortest path? You have to follow the the angles or directions if it is a directed graph. Given the directions. Okay. Spanning tree is a subset of the given edges and subsequent letters or from the words. Okay. Fine. That's all. Nothing is there to see. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to ask you some simple question. Okay, so what is the biggest number which is less than or equal to 1,000?
999.
Less than or equal to 1,000?
1,000.
Bro,
That's
okay,
fine.
yeah. So that's a constraint. I'm giving you a constraint saying that less than or equal to 1,000. Okay, so if I say the same question, what is the biggest number that is less than or equal to 100? I'm giving a much lesser constraint. So what does that mean? So what is that? Now answer becomes 100. Right. So based on the constraints, your optimum value is coming up. Okay, is it fine?
Yeah,
Okay, so what is the objective? Our objective is to find the maximum value. So that is what we are trying. Objective is, by definition, we can say, right, what is your objective, what is your mission, what are you trying to do? Constraint is under what, given the constraints are nothing but conditions, you can say like that. Okay, for example, okay, I'll go to the end of this once again.
yeah.
Yeah, someone want to say?
No, like I want to say, like when I was in standard 11th or 12th, I have read this linear programming concepts in my maths subject. So there we
Okay.
have some like equations. We have to find the reason or the corners points, and we find the
Hmm.
maximum or minimum value at that
Yeah, yeah,
point.
yeah.
So it
Mhm.
seems like similar of that.
Yeah. So it's the same. Okay, let's. But others, not everyone would have been have got an exposure to the linear programming, right? Hmm?
Yeah.
So we'll give them some chance to explore this. Okay. So who is looking at this for the first time? Anwar, Uma, Pooja, are you guys looking? I think you guys know it already. Do you guys know it already?
Had it in MLF, right? MLF first.
Yep. Nice. Then you are completed MLF, right? Okay. So let's read this. Okay,
But
let's leave
even
that and
without
let's
MLF, it is just a mathematical thing, right? I
correct. It's
that's
just
what I was
mathematical
looking.
thing.
You don't have to name it as a linear programming. Just to
Hmm.
get a maximum, you have to add things up, right?
Hmm.
I think it's a normal max program, max problem.
Okay. So let's look at this example. So what are they saying? Profit for each box of burfi is rupees 100. Okay. Each box of halwa is 600. If you are selling a halwa, so you get 600 rupees profit. Nice. Who want to buy some halwa from me? Okay. So daily demand for burfi is at most 200 boxes. So looking at this, I think we are supposed to find something. Okay. Would someone like to explain the slide if you have seen it already? Hello. Oh, guys, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay. So fine. Looking at this, they're saying that each. I mean, they're just saying the profit, and daily maximum you can have 200 boxes of barfi and 300 boxes of halwa. That's what you need to produce. If you produce more, it goes to waste. Something like that. Okay. Staff can produce 400 boxes a day. And okay, wait a second. Sachin, you know this already, right?
Yeah, I know that.
Can you explain this to us, please?
But like I'm having some issues with my network, so I may lag in
Okay.
between.
No, no, it's clear. You just try to tell. If you're lagging, I'll tell. I'll tell you. Continue.
Okay, yeah, okay, I can do so. Like we have given some constraints, like the we have to find out something like number of packets of like number of boxes of burpees and number of packets of halwas, and so we have to find the number of packets we can build, like, and we have one more concern, like we at max we can build like make 400 boxes. So we can simply approach it like using trial and error thing, but more sophisticated ways like using linear programming, like you can build inequations, like equations, and there's something called inequations where you use inequality, like it's not equal, it's something that is less or equal something. So we know that like at max we can build 200 boxes of burfis. So let's suppose b denotes the number of packets of burfis, and each burfi packet is associated with 100 rupees of profit, and halwa packets are associated with 600 rupees of profits. So we are building an equation which is also called the which will be our equation to find out the maximum profit. So yeah, so that is called that we have written as profit,
Correct.
like labeling, yeah, labeling it a profit, and then
Uh-huh.
we are writing out constraints like
Hmm.
b should be less or equals to 200, or h should be less than equals to 300,
Yeah.
and so on. And there is some implicit constraints are like b cannot be negative, it should be more than or like number of packets should be more than zero, or at least zero.
Hmm.
So these are the constraints, and also one more constraint, like we cannot make more than 400 boxes in a day. So we are doing b plus h is less or equal to 400.
Yeah.
So now what we can do, we can use like linear programming, and we will build write variables in an axis like x and y coordinates, sorry, yeah, x and y axis, and there we can like build find out the sophisticated reasons where we can where the maximum or minimum value could lie,
Correct. Wait,
like
wait, wait.
we
You
are
don't go extra.
reducing.
Wait, wait. One second. You don't go extra. Whatever is on the slide alone, you tell because people won't be able to visualize it, right? So you
Okay,
have
so I think
explained
I
all the
have
things on the slide, right? You have covered everything,
yeah,
right? So here comes the picture. See, the objective is
yeah,
to
like
maximize
this is a
the
way to represent.
I'll take it to the bottom so you can tell to everyone. Okay, we'll go one step at a time, so it might be much more visible, right? So,
Yeah, like
uh,
what I was
hmm, okay, go ahead, go ahead.
yeah. So in this slide you can see like we are using concepts of like coordinate like axis. So we
Mm-hmm.
are writing the number of number of packets of burfis in y-axis and number of packets of halwas in sorry, x and y axis. Okay.
Yeah.
And uh, like uh, like we are also drawing lines with the inequations, like b should be less or equals to 400, so we are drawing the line. So the possible answers will lie towards the left of this line, like it should not be more than, b should not be more than 200. So b will also always lie within this line,
Okay. Okay.
like
Wait.
from 0 to 200.
Yeah. So Anwar,
and
were you able to
and
follow
similarly
one
we will have
question?
lines for second yeah.
Okay. Anwar, were you able to follow this much?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. You have seen this
Yeah.
already?
Now the problem I have seen, I have not solved it, but
Okay. Fine. So what about Uma? Uma?
Yeah, we can move ahead. Actually, nobody's there except three. I think it's
Yeah.
okay. I'm
Yeah.
fine. It's just a mathematical expression, so it's fine.
Correct. So so shall we directly go to practice assignment and see what is available, what is there?
But before that, I just want to know the definition. I forgot that. Feasible region, what is that? You can access only below that, right?
So this is the feasible region. So they are saying that
Right, I forgot
look,
that.
okay, you see, look at this, Uma. So there is a constraint saying that b plus h should be less than or equal to 400.
So our maximum point will lie inside this region. That is what it is, right?
Correct.
That is what called as feasible region. Yeah, got
Yeah,
it.
see this b
Got it.
plus h is less than or equal to 400.
Yes. So only in
Yeah,
this
one of the
region we have,
corners.
yeah, corners will have the maximum point.
Correct.
Okay, yeah, got it. We can go move ahead.
So we'll directly go to the practice and graded assignment. So
Yeah.
whenever they are required, we'll come back to the slides, just like how we used to do, rather than going everything.
Yeah.
Okay. So fine. Okay, Uma, you try to do this question. Select the problems can be solved using linear programming technique. Okay, so we have the maximize, and this is something. So can we solve this? How to tell if it can be solved or not? Okay, Uma, will you be able to solve this question
I'll
using
try.
linear
I'll see.
programming? Second option. I'm saying about second option.
Second option.
See, the question itself says that it is linear programming,
Yeah.
which
That's
means you cannot have a square.
Oh, okay. I didn't
Am
know.
I right, Sachin?
You are correct.
Okay, great. So second option is wrong. What about the third option? Seems to be okayish. Fourth option also seems to be okay. Let me go and submit it. I don't want to, give a wrong answer. Okay, I just marked the correct answers. One is correct. This is correct. So seems like the third option is wrong. So this, why is this wrong? Okay, let's come from the first one. So seems like they are okay. Let's choose the wrong options. So that's where we need to see. Sachin, can you try this? What are they saying here?
Maybe it doesn't maximize, I think, if you substitute it. Oh, here it says Z goes to not a linear programming, no? It goes to square, quadratic.
Where, Uma?
Here, the Z constraints, Z goes from 0 to x plus 1 into y minus 1,
Oh,
which is
okay.
not a linear one, right?
Okay. That
It's a
also makes sense.
quadratic expression.
So quadratic constraints also is not allowed. Is that what you're saying?
I think
no,
so. I'm just guessing. I don't know.
Anwar, you want to say something?
no, it is x into y. It will become it will not become x square. It
Yeah,
will
it's
become
xy only. Yeah, but still the power of that equation is, what
Yeah,
is the
it's
power of
2.
that equation?
right.
Xy also is it's still not a linear, right? Okay. So probably it's because for XY you will have some kind of a curve.
Because the feasible region will not be in the linear area, right? If it goes to square, the quadratic expression, then we cannot conclude the feasible region inside the two coordinates.
Mhm.
It will become a parabola, right? If it is a
Correct,
square.
exactly. That's what I was about to say. Go ahead,
Yes.
Anwar.
You mean to say XY will not come under linear?
No, xy is also equal to x square. Instead of x, we are having y, but the degree is 2.
But
It
acha,
is
there
just,
is
yeah,
but it
it doesn't matter you have x square or xy. Both are same in a way. If you compare degree, both are same, right?
okay,
See,
okay.
this is a quadratic expression only, no? Kind of.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. So that's clear. Okay. So which means the first ones, the other options are okay,
Yeah,
right?
because of the constraint, the feasible area cannot be that whatever we saw in the picture, it will draw
Hmm.
into parabola.
Yeah. If we draw a
That's
parabola. Okay. Great. So that's how we answer the first question. Now we go to the second question. All right. So Anwar, can you read this question? I'll just zoom this for you.
An electrical circuit is modeled as a network from source to ground.
Network from source to ground. Okay.
3 lines from the source with a combined transmitting capacity of 5 units per hour. 2 lines end in ground with a combined transmitting capacity of 4 units per hour. And what is that at the right side?
In between network.
Okay, and the in-between networks are unknown.
Hmm.
What is the maximum transmission capacity of the electrical circuit?
Hmm.
So that means 2 lines end in ground, then 3 lines from the source with a combined transmitting capacity of 5. So it will be combined, no? It will be 4 units only. At most 4 units, right? Now, why is it saying there is not enough? Because an electrical circuit is modeled as a network from source to ground. Okay. Then 3 lines from the source with a combined transmitting capacity of 5 units per hour. So combined transmitting capacity means maximum 5 units only can flow using those 3, right?
Correct.
Then 2 lines end in ground with a combined transmitting capacity of 4 units per hour. And the in-between network is unknown. What is the maximum transmission capacity of the electrical circuit?
So I think it's because of that. See, in between whatever is happening, we don't know how much of loss we are making in the transmission.
No, it is not about laws. I think it is about like we do not have the information whether the transmitting whatever transmitting we are saying is from source to ground. That is the only thing.
So
If
shall
it is
we look at some slides?
from source to ground, if we are saying, then the information is enough now, because ground transmitting
We
capacity
won't
only.
have this slides, do
Sorry,
we have?
we don't
We
have it
won't
yet. I
have
think it is
no.
network.
Okay. This is this is different, I think.
Like the same network of pipeline.
Yeah, okay.
So as much as soil starting from S till end T. Okay.
Because we don't know that unknown paths. Maximum 5, but we don't know how much the rest of the thing is going to carry.
No,
You
but
have to
it
say
is
5.
3 from source. No, so 3 from source, if you are saying,
But
and
2 lines only carry.
yeah, but the combined capacity it says 4.
Yeah.
So it can have only 4.
But still, that other line, we don't know if it is carry 1 or 0.1 or 0.5. That's why maybe they are telling not to. But I feel,
No, it says combined capacity 5. No, so if you are
no.
taking,
That is the maximum capacity. But the 2 lines, see, there are 3 lines, no? But the other line, we are not having any information what it can carry. If it is 1, we can say now the maximum transmission is 5. But if it is not 1, then we don't know. The third line, we don't have any information on the third line.
That is where the combined capacity comes.
That
No?
is only for 2 lines.
No,
Uma, I don't think like that. See, Uma, so
Yeah.
what you're saying is, see, we have, look at this picture itself. Okay. So you have 3 input layers, okay, but only 2 exit layers. It's not necessary that we need to have 3, because the 2 can go and combine to a, in this node. Look at this.
Can, but do you know that?
That's what we don't know. We don't know, right?
Yeah, because whether this 2 or the third line information is not given, it could be from the third line which carries only 1, right? Then the maximum capacity will be only 3. So we cannot assure that maximum will be 4, right? That's why.
Yeah. I got it, right? In between, if it is only 1, then the maximum capacity will be 1 only.
Correct.
Yeah. So we don't know how much.
Yeah. So I want to understand the slides. Okay.
Oh,
I
I
want
should not have argued with Uma because she is an electrical engineer, actually.
No, that is long back. No.
Oh, you're an electrical engineer.
No, that and all, that those degrees are invalid, Gokul. I have finished long back.
By the way, I think Andrew sir is from electrical department.
Oh, is it? Okay. But they're all in the field and working. I am just a namesake degree. Doesn't give any value.
Okay, come.
Yeah.
So what does this mean here? Ship as much as oil as possible from source to whatever S to T. Okay.
You want to know about it, Gokul? What do you want to know? I can tell. What do you want to know from this?
What does this mean? What does this diagram mean? What are we trying to do?
Okay, it is a pipeline. Okay, each pipeline has a maximum capacity.
All right.
But at the end, there are only 2 possible. Like this can carry 5, this can carry 2. So you have to manage in such a way, passing this last E to T, D to T, maximum capacity of 2, and here the 5. So you try to collect from the source and reach that endpoint T through these lines. That's all. Are you getting it?
Yeah, I'm kind of getting it.
So you select various paths according to their capacity. And if the capacity is full, you can also go use that as a backward also.
So I think this is the capacity and this is the actual flow.
Where is the actual flow? I'm not seeing anything. Can you show up?
Yeah. So this one is the capacity.
Okay, guy. Okay.
Right?
Does it say flow?
The red one is the capacity, which how much it can handle. So S to A, it can handle 3, whatever, 3 tons of,
At the max, you can send only 3.
Yeah. So, but at the bottom, whatever we have here, this orange color things. So they are saying that this is the efficient maximum you can have.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have this, combined thing.
You can do different parts and you can maximize the flow also according to your path until the capacity is full. And also there is little tricky also. If your capacity is full, in the in between edges, you can also use as a backward edge, and again you can flow that whole capacity reverse also.
But if you have only if you have a backward edge, right?
No, everything will act as a backward edge. When the capacity is full, you can use that as a backward. See, for example, in this, okay, A to D can carry 2, okay?
Yes.
Again, if that capacity is full, because if it is now, you cannot use that as a backward, okay? When you have filled that capacity, you can also reverse that pipeline. You can use that pipeline as a backward edge and again take the 2, and even if B is full, then you can use that also as a reverse edge or some other thing which is reverse. Here it is not possible. Sometimes it may be possible that A to B arrow is there. Then you can do D to A to B also.
Here comes the electrical engineering mind.
No, this is not electrical. Just now I learned that network flow. No. After your session, I learned this all with YouTube. I have to thank YouTube. It was very crystal clear from YouTube. The code Fulker's an algorithm, no? They might ask, there are a lot of questions. To solve that, I studied just now.
Correct. So let's come back to the questions here. Okay, so I think this was okay, right, Anwar? That's because, in between flows you don't know, so we won't be able to tell them the maximum capacity that can be transmitted.
But this is very
Okay.
tricky because in exam I will write as 5 because at most it is written as 5. No, in the
Yeah,
tension
yeah.
and pressure we might rate it as 5.
Fine. Okay.
For this question I learned that Ford Fulkerson to find out.
I'm following augmented path in the algorithm. So
Yeah.
what is Ford Fulkerson algorithm?
So just know whatever we discuss, that is what Ford Fulkerson. Kind of.
Yeah, but there should be an algorithm, right? On what should you do first, what should you do next, something like that. Do you have something for that?
I don't know. I learned directly typing in YouTube Ford Fulkerson. A wonderful
Here
video came. I learned that's all.
here we have.
The
Here we
same
have.
thing on vocal. It is just choosing the path and how much flow you can do. There is that reverse here. They confuse a lot, so I am not going with the slides. Residual graph, things like that. But I am not learning those things. There's so much confusion here.
But if you have known it already, can you answer this question?
Yeah, I know. See, each time what are you doing is from S to T, you're finding the path, okay, which is DFS.
Yeah.
So that is that is what called as augmented path. And Ford Fulkerson algorithm says max flow. Every time if you update it, so I don't know very much technical detail, Gokul, but I have understood this. That's what that video also say. Max flow into that order of E is kind of edges. So how many the DFS that augmented path is DFS time complexity. That's what they say order of E. Every time you're doing S to T depth, right?
Yeah. So what is DFS?
What is?
Complexity.
Yeah, augmented path is the second one is the correct answer because augmented path is DFS. We are doing each time a DFS. So how many DFS we are doing? Whenever you update, max flow into E. That's that much iteration you're doing.
Okay.
This is what they said in YouTube. I am kind of understood, but really difficult to explain week 11 and 10. Gokul, it's hard.
Okay. So Anwar, are you here still? Anwar? Anwar, are you here? All right. I think Uma, shall we wind up this session for now?
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah.
Like, because we have very less people. Probably people are looking into that, that session, the other
Yeah.
session.
Okay. Yeah. Gokul.
Right?
Thanks a lot. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. So tomorrow we'll be having a session